Hi guys, today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Hotels.com app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you keep going down here, then you click here on security and settings. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you come to this list, you go down, just keep going down, click here on clear search and save data. When you just click on it, then it's going to clear with you here on your Hotels.com app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.